it's Chieko. Today I am going to show you how to fold Origami Fireworks. This is a beautiful looking origami, but not only that, you can play with it. So if you move the paper like this, it opens up and then moves like fireworks popping. So let's start. What you need is 12 sheets of square papers. So you can use any colors. I have here 4 different colors and each of them have 3 sheets. Size of paper is 15 by 15 centimeter squares. If you have paper clips or pegs, it will help assembling this model later. Okay, get 1 sheet of paper and then place the paper like this. From the bottom to top, fold in half in triangle. Make a nice crease and then unfold, rotate and do the same. Unfold again. So next step is all 4 corners goes to the center. So fold each corner to the center and fold rest of the 3 corners in as well. After making nice crease each side, unfold. So all the fold we did so far is one side. Now we need to turn the paper over, so make sure you do that. So now fold in half, make a nice crease again and then unfold. So this time bottom goes to the center crease line like this. So top end do the same. So I rotated the paper and then fold to the center crease line. Then unfold. Next step is rotate the paper 90 degrees so you can see 3 crease lines. Next fold is the bottom side goes to the point you can see there, those 2 cross points, and fold the other end as well. After making firm crease, unfold both ends. Next, we're going to make this paper into smaller triangle using existing crease lines. So pinch these diagonal crease lines and then you can see the fold crease lines. So pinch both ends. It should naturally fold down to this smaller triangle. Next, you can see this triangle crease lines. So use this point goes to the top, only 1 layer, top layer you use, and then as you do, the sides come up. So use the existing crease line and then squash it down so the next shape looks like this. Turn the paper over. So this side we're going to do the same. Shape of the paper looks like a little house here. Next, you can see those crease lines. Use that crease line, bring the top layer like this, and then the side come sort of up, lift up. So you need to squash that down, and then so when you squash down, little triangle appears. Make a nice crease. Do the other side the same. So lift that part up and then squash it down like this. So when you do this side, of course turn it over and then do the same on this side as well. After making nice firm crease, so unfold those 4 creases we just made. Okay, that's the end of the first piece. You need to fold all the 12 sheets like this. So now let's move on to assembly. Pick up two pieces first. I'll use the blue one as a base, and then take a look. This piece has two layers each side. I'll give you a close look again. 1, 2, like that. So one layer goes into the pocket of the other piece. So lift it up and then insert one side first. Then hold this part tight. Move on to other side. Lift the paper up if you wish, and then put that part and tuck that in like this. Hooks like this on the side, and then make it tidy. Move on to the other piece. Now on top of the pink one, so put the other piece. So insert like this and keep on going. If you are using different color papers like me, so make sure the paper orders are right. So I did blue, pink, green and yellow, and repeat that order. When you put everything together, you will notice a little bit angle from the side look. So I'll just tuck the bottom and then make it straight, so everything goes right in. So looks like this, a little bit better. So take a look the side of the model. So you will notice the very first piece, which is blue, has 2 layers, and then rest of them are all 1 layer. We are going to make a fold in between these layers. So the first 2, so we open up that part, you see? So you can have 2 different sides in this surface. So you can see the crease line. Use that crease line, lift 2 layers, which is different colors, and then refold the crease that you already made before, and then move on to next part. Sort of flip like a page, and then do the same fold. Try to use the same crease that we made before, so do not introduce the new crease lines. Then repeat the steps. So fold up to the second last piece, leave the last one, and then you can see the end hasn't been folded, just leave it like that. So move on to other side. So this time start from the left because that's the start of the model, and then fold like what we did the other side. So when you finish, looks like this. Both end hasn't been folded yet. Moving on to the last step, I use 2 bulldog clips. That makes it easier. Blue part goes into the yellow part. So remember, there is 1 layer goes into the pocket of yellow. As you try to put both ends together, it may come undone, but try to hold few layers like this, and then open up like fan, and then gently try to put both ends together like this. Then I use the clip, this part, first outer part, clip it there, then put another clip here, so it's not going to separate. So take the outer part of the clip, and then first I insert the one blue layer goes into the yellow. This side is easier. When you finish, put the clip again and then unclip the inner part. So we do the same. It is a little bit difficult to do so. So open up the pocket, fiddle around, and then try to insert the blue part into yellow. So after put the blue part into yellow, then I'll put the clip back on. Now we have to fold in between. So unclip the outer part. So then we have to do the folding. So open up, start from not the blue one before. Use the crease line and then try to put 2 layers of paper together like that and then fold. If one of the paper keep lifting up or doesn't come aligned, just need to pull it gently. So when you make it tidy this side, do the next layer, which is a blue and yellow part. So then when you finish, tidy the crease like I am doing now, and then put the outer layer together. I unclip the center part and use that clip to the outer part. So next we're gonna fold this part. So try to put the 2 layers together and use the crease line we made before, more like tucking it in. So make sure 2 layers together and then tuck that in gently again. So then do the next part as well. Tidy up the crease, unclip, and again I'm just making sure every crease is right. And I might move a little bit, tidy up the folds. Now I'm happy with this part. Check everything else looks good. Then you can check if it moves. Looks like all good. So we finished the fireworks. Thank you for watching. See you next time.